The kitchen has evolved from its predeceasing design of an enclosed room which only the mother of the home utilised. In this day and age, it has been transformed to being the heart of the home. It's a place where the entire family gathers and a space where everyone can get involved in. Along with bathrooms and outdoor living spaces, the kitchen is at the top of the list when it comes to resale value. So if you invest wisely in this space, you will see its return, not only in the transformed lifestyle it will provide you with, but also at the time should you sell your home down the track. In our first meeting, we will come to your home if renovating. If you're building a new home, we'll meet over coffee. Here we'll document and measure the areas that can be worked with. If you are building a new home, we will be working with your architect's or drafter's base floor plan. This meeting is all about us finding out exactly what you are looking for. Your brief is an important starting point. In saying that, you by no means need to know every single detail, but if you've seen things that you like or have photographs, this is the best time to share them. We will discuss your budget and also time frame considerations. In our second meeting, this is where the fun begins. Between our first meeting and now, we will have been busily creating some designs for you. You will be shown 2 to 3 floor plan layouts which will show you your potential options and the possibilities of which direction we can head in. Sometimes clients fall in love with one particular design straight away. Other times, they may like elements out of 1 or 2 of them, so collaboratively, we'll work towards getting a final design that meets your requirements. Now that we've finalised the floor plan of your kitchen, it's time for us to start adding in the detail. Between our last meeting and our third appointment, we will have drawn up all of your internal kitchen elevations. We will meet at our selected showroom where we'll begin by looking over each elevation and discussing the detail of the layout. After we look at the drawings, it's now time to make our selections. Here, you'll be choosing all of the materials and items that will make your project one of a kind. They will include items such as the benchtop material, joinery finishes, sinks, tapware and lighting, etc. Depending on your budget for the project, our third meeting will either be spent as a half day in Illawarra or a half day in Sydney, travelling to selected showrooms to choose your fittings, fixtures and finishes. You will be required to meet your designer at the specified showrooms. They will guide you throughout the excursion. Before our next meeting, your drawings will now be updated to include your selections that we've made during our excursion trip. If you would like to proceed with project management, Bird Black Design will arrange to meet with our selected builder at the deemed project site to obtain a labour quote. Bird Black Design only works with qualified and reputable tradespeople. If you have your own builder, all of the details will be passed on for them to quote. In our final meeting, you will now be presented with a final set of drawings and corresponding selections list. We will discuss the final costings for your selections list and labour prices that have been obtained. When we have finalised all design queries and final prices, the project will be ready to proceed. Final paperwork will be finalised and we will discuss start dates and expected timeframes for the completed project. Bird Black Design will work closely with the builder, tradespeople and suppliers involved throughout the duration of the job as per our project management service. If you are using your own builder, we will hand over all drawings, selections list and finishes samples which you will then pass on to your nominated building company.